Your Honor, he didn't just miss the driveway, he launched into my swimming pool.
Sir, explain why her pool has a parking space.
I sneezed. Twice. First sneeze, swerve. Second sneeze, splash.
And now my kids call it Car Lagoon.
You turned her backyard into a deep-end drive-through.
I was gonna back it out.
You were floating with the airbags.
Sir, next time, use a tissue, not her property value.
And pay for my pool filter. It's coughing up motor oil.
You're paying for cleanup, the filter, and a driveway sign. No boats, no cars. Case closed.